I starting English spoken and conversation and sharing with you. You listen to it very interesting. I also trying to understand with you. Daily use English spoken. তোমার সবাই সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও, সবাই সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও। Get up, brush your teeth, have a shower, have your lunch, do the homework. Do the homework. হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ Do the homework, go to bed, go to school, put on your dress, open your shoes, keep your shoes out, have dinner, wash your mouth, look at me, look here, take carefully, do it carefully, write neatly, don't dirty the page while writing, write clearly. Give me eraser, give me sharpener, take your food, take your lunch, brush your teeth, wash your face. Don't use the eraser. Hold the pencil. Be careful. Be brave. Be still. Be quiet. Don't be late. Don't talk. Watch out. Come early. Don't move. Don't be shy. Be afraid. Be giddy. Be silent. Keep quiet. Calm down. Get up ready. Don't quarrel. Bring my umbrella. Give me eraser. Give me sharpener. Take your food. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. When will you meet me? I meet you tomorrow. Where are you meet me? I meet you at the mall. When will you call me? I thinking I call you at 7 p.m. Do your homework. We play football. Find me. Run fast. It is the delicious food. I am going now. Who is there? Have you got any ticket of the cricket match? Will you take any? Will you accompany me? Where are you going now? The man is sleeping. What a wonderful land it is. How happy you are. You cold it is today. You are a liar. We have won the match. I shall go to market. Bimal has a story book. I bought the nice umbrella. We can do this work. Go there. Raja plays football. No man can do this work. It is the hot temperature. Sun is bright over our head. He has no enemy. We are good friends. We can do this work. No man can do this work. He has no enemy. He is not faithful. He has a pet dog. The dogs are birds. I am all right. Her little head is bare. His father beat him. She has let her matches fall in the street. Pluck out my other eye. I don't know what exactly he is. A few years in the field will cause you to change your opinion. A very good way to learn. Please tell me about them. I have got a headache. You better go back to bed. What made him wait for it? How are you? I am fine, thank you. What's this? This is a lens. How old are you? I am 27 years old. How does it taste? It is delicious. How do you do? Pleased to meet you. How about you? Not to go. What time do you close? I close at 8 p.m. Where are you from? I am from Kolkata. When will he be back? He will be back in minutes. I eat rice, she sings well, she runs fast, they play football, he reads book, birds fly high, cats drink milk, fish swim fast, he loves music, she likes tea, they eat together. We go home, you speak well, she dances well, she works hard, We watch TV. I am proud. I am optimistic. I am shy. I am lucky. I am excited. I am okay. I am sorry. I am busy. I am sociable. I am happy. She is tall. He runs fast. They are here. We like pizza. It is cold. She has a cat. He is a doctor. The sun is bright. I love music. The dog barks. She sings well. He drinks coffee. The baby sleeps. The bus is late. She wears its hat. I have a bike. She likes tea. He drives fast. They watch TV. The car is blue. We study English. She feels tired. He opens the door. The flowers bloom. The birds flies. I see the moon. She smiles often. He eats breakfast. They go to school. The clock ticks. We love summer. The phone rings. He draws pictures. He wears glasses. It smells good. Believe me, call me back as soon as possible. Give me a hand. I don't understand. I don't mean it. How much is it? How was your weekend? What did you say? What do you need? What do you think? What do you want to do? What's the weather like? Where are you going? Is all good? Is everything okay? What are you doing? Absolutely not. I have no idea. I agree. I am at home. Which on the tip of my tongue is okay. It really takes time. Is for he best. No, I don't want. See you. So I do. I decline. See you next time. What is going on? When is the train leaving? Where are you from? I just made it. Enjoy yourself. Follow me. Is very thoughtful of you. I have a bike. She likes tea. He drives fast. They watch TV. The car is blue. We study English. She feels tired. He opens the door. The flowers bloom. The bird flies. I see the moon. She smiles often. He eats breakfast. They go to school. The clock ticks. We love summer. The phone rings. She draws pictures. She wears glasses. It smells good. I like bread and egg and juice. Give me book. I have a story book. I bought a nice pen. It is very costly. I have 4 friends. I want to meet them. তাহলে এখানেই শেষ করছি। তোমার সবাই কিন্তু লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু তোমার অবশ্যই কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও।